are down on the factory floor. Each one of those can hold around 400 kilos. And they'll all just be in water. The rhizomes, that's what your bulbs and the roots of ginger are called. They're called rhizomes. They'll hold all of those in those particular blue bins. Only for about 24 to 48 hours. They're only ever arriving here when they're going to start to process. When they're going to do that, one of those forklifts down there will tip one of those blue bins into the grey hopper in the left-hand corner. All of the rhizomes then slowly come up the first conveyor, which is then going to just regulate it along the feed down there. Where you see the buckets that are all turned up on the top of that next conveyor there would be staff there to be taking off stalks and stems. Things that we room, it's our sweetest room around, this one is. Now all the ginger we've cut up in the previous room will be brought in here. 1,200 kilos or 1.2 tonne of cut ginger will go into each one of these tanks. Pumped full of water, they're going to cook it anywhere between about 15 to 30 minutes around 85 degrees Celsius, and that'll make it nice and soft. Because it's a bit crunchy like an apple before it gets here. We need to make it nice and soft so it's easy to eat. Now once it's soft, they'll drain the water away, they'll replace it with syrup. On the tops of the tanks you can notice that there's rods spinning around on those, and there's a liquid coming from those rods. And that is the syrup, sugar and water. 50-50 sugar water to make up the syrup. It will start off as a really nice light colour, almost fluorescent, and after 12 days of cooking and soaking in the syrup of these tanks, it's going to reach a really nice dark rich caramel colour. You'll notice the different shades of the tanks, and that actually indicates the particular cooking stage that that tank is up to. So once it gets lovely and dark, well that's when we're going to take it out. Now we do have a particular machine that will do this, that will empty these tanks.
And then it's several different strains. Indeed, yeah. So it must be nice to place inside without having bees all around you.
Yeah.
And if anyone's wondering how we get the honey out, so for instance, this pipe here is really full.
The carriages you are riding on are similar to the trams which carried holidaymakers to the coast before local roads were built in 1926. They're being pulled by Morton, one of Queensland's original coal-fired cane locomotives, first built in Germany in 1901. Morton was brought to Australia in 1905 and was the first of 7 locomotives that would gradually replace horse-drawn carriages, carting sugarcane to the Morton Mill here on the Sunshine Coast. A trickle filter system, which allows us to reuse the water across the site for things such as garden irrigation. At the ginger factory, we take the first harvest because the fibre content is low and perfect for making products such as crystallised ginger, sauces and gingerbread men, just to name a few. Speaking of gingerbread men, did you know you can decorate